Hello my dear students, welcome back to Science Classroom. This is Jnanasundari here, one of the physics teacher of 10th standard. Nellai Nadar e-learning vibrant class. 10th physics unit 1 laws of motion. Students, previous class you have learnt about variation of acceleration due to gravity, mass of the earth, relation between g and g and acceleration due to gravity. Today's class you are going to see mass and weight, apparent weight and weightlessness. First of all we are going to see mass and weight. So mass is the basic property of a body. What is the definition of mass? Mass of a body is defined as a quantity of matter contained in the body. What is the unit of mass? SI unit of mass is kilogram. The symbol is kg. What is the definition of weight? Weight of a body is defined as the gravitational force exerted on it due to the Earth's gravity alone. What is the formula of weight? That is W is equal to mg. So, mass is a measure of the amount of matter in an object. So matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Mass is measured in grams or kilograms. So the symbol of mass is kg. So we know that weight is equal to gravitational force. So the mass into acceleration due to gravity. So W is equal to mg. What is the value of g? Acceleration due to gravity for the earth at sea level, that is 9.8 meter per second square. Next we are going to see the difference between mass and weight in earth, moon and space. What is the mass value of earth? Mass equal to 10 kg. So weight of the earth 98 n. So mass of the moon 10 kg, weight 16 kg. So mass is equal to 10 kg in space, weight is equal to 0. So we understood mass remains constant but weight varies from place to place. So weight is a vector quantity. Direction of weight is always towards the center of the earth. So weight is a vector quantity. It has both magnitude and direction. So direction of weight is always towards the center of the earth. SI unit of weight is Newton. So what is the symbol of Newton? Capital N. Weight of a body varies from children. One place to another place on the earth, since it depends on the acceleration due to gravity of the earth. So weight of a body is more at poles. Weight of the body more at poles than at the equatorial region. So mass is a scalar quantity and weight is a vector quantity. So formula W is equal to mg. The value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the moon 1.625 meter second minus 2. So this is about 0.1654 times the acceleration due to gravity of the earth. If a person whose mass is 60 kg stands on the surface of earth, his weight would be 588 n. So the formula W is equal to mg, we can calculate weight of the person, mass of the person 60 and the acceleration due to gravity 9.8. So we should multiply 60 and 9.8. So the answer is 588 n. So W is equal to 588 N. If the same person goes to the surface of the moon, he would weight only 98.5 N. So what is the calculation? Weight of the person 60 into G value 1625. So what is the answer? 97.5 Newton. But his mass remains the same, 60 kg on both the earth and the moon. So next we are going to see apparent weight. So what is apparent weight? The weight that you feel to possess during up and down motion is not same as your actual weight. Apparent weight is the weight of the body acquired due to the action of gravity and other external forces acting on the body. So let us see, this is from following illustration. Let us consider a person of mass m who is traveling in lift. The actual weight of the person is W is equal to mg. So which is acting vertically downwards. So the reaction force exerted by the lift surface capital R taken as apparent weight is acting vertically upwards. So let's see different possibilities of the apparent weight R. Capital R is the apparent weight of a person that arise depending on the motion of the lift, upwards, yes children, or downwards. Next we are going to see weightlessness. Have you gone to the amusement park and taken in a ride roller coaster or in a giant wheel during the fast downward and upward movement? How did you feel? It's amazing. It's amazing. You actually feel as if you are falling freely without having any weight. This is due to the phenomenon of weightlessness. You seem to have lost your weight when you move down. When you move down with a certain acceleration, sometimes you will experience the same feeling while traveling in a lift. When the person in a lift moves down with an acceleration A equal to the acceleration due to gravity G, that is when A is equal to G. So acceleration is equal to acceleration due to gravity. This motion is called as free fall. Here the apparent weight R is equal to m, G minus G is equal to 0. So if the person is 0, this condition or state refers to the state of weightlessness. So the same effect takes place while falling freely in a roller coaster or on swing or in a vertical giant wheel. You feel an apparent weight, loss of weight, gain when you are moving up and down in such rides. Next we are going to see apparent weight of a person in a moving lift. Case 1. Lift is moving upward with an acceleration A. So what is the formula? We know that children, apparent weight symbol is R. Actual weight symbol is W. So R minus W when lift is moving upward with an acceleration A. R minus W is equal to F is equal to MA. So R is equal to W plus MA. So instead of F we should write MA. So R is equal to weight. What is the weight formula? W is equal to mg. So instead of W, we should write here mg plus ma. R is equal to take m common and g plus a. So we know that the R is greater than W. So apparent weight is greater than the actual weight when lift is moving upward with an acceleration a. Case 2. Lift is moving downward with an acceleration a. So what is the formula? W minus R is equal to F net is equal to ma. So R is equal to, so R is the apparent weight, is equal to actual weight minus ma. So R is equal to, instead of W, we should write here mg minus ma. So R is equal to m into g minus a. So the R is less than W. So apparent weight is lesser than the actual weight. Case 3. Lift is at rest. Here the acceleration is 0. So formula A is equal to 0. The apparent weight is equal to the actual weight. So R is equal to W and R is equal to mg. R is equal to mg. So R is equal to W. Apparent weight is equal to the actual weight. Case 4. Lift is falling down freely. Here the acceleration is equal to small g. So R is equal to 0. So acceleration is equal to acceleration due to gravity. So A is equal to g. So R is equal to apparent weight is equal to m into g minus g. So we know that R is equal to 0. Thank you children. We will meet at next class.